The future of door locks isn't smarter, it's smoother. Say hello to Anylock's newest product, MILDA, the one-step push-pull interior door lock. Coming and going has never been easier. MILDA's patented latch mechanism provides resistance-free access to your home's most used rooms. User-friendly for even the smallest hands, MILDA is inclusive to everyone. The curved handle allows for a secure and easy grip from any angle. Unlock doors in one swift motion for a panic-free exit. MILDA's self-installation is incredibly easy. All you need are the 5 screws included and a screwdriver. It optimizes accessibility for children, the elderly, and disabled. It's great for when you've got your hands full and compatible with garage doors. Preventing the spread of germs, the antibacterial handle keeps your home clean and safe. MILDA is the home revelation you've been looking for. With 2 types of door locks, key and coin, control privacy between rooms. The key type works great for home offices and master bedrooms, while the coin type is better suited for communal areas. Revolutionizing your home experience, MILDA.
When you hold and turn the handle of a lever-type door lock, the latch bolt enters inside the door. When the turned handle recovers its original position, the handle loosens because of a component's fatigue. In daily life, a lever-type door lock doesn't produce inconvenience. However, the metal has high thermal conductivity when a sudden fire breaks out. Therefore, there may be the risk of burn or fatal accidents when holding and turning the door lock. You can softly open the MILDA push-pull door lock with your palm. When opening the handle, the latch bolt turns 90 degrees. You can softly operate it only with one movement without friction. MILDA push-pull door lock pursues universal design and barrier-free products. It has a convenient design for children, the elderly, the disabled, and adults. It's a barrier-free product that is conveniently operated with little strength. It has an ergonomic design considering the hand sizes and gripping experience. It is certified for its good design, 99.9% antibacterial treatment minimizes the cross-infection through a door lock. Also, it has an anti-panic function, enabling the user to open the closed door by pulling the handle inside. You can quickly escape when an emergency happens, such as a fire. MILDA antibacterial push-pull door lock has 2 types. You can choose the type according to the user. You may choose the key type push-pull door lock for the main bedroom and private area. You may choose a key type push-pull door lock for the children's room, where protection is required, and the bathroom, which has the risk of hurt from a fall. MILDA push-pull door lock is compatible with the international standard of 52 pi. You can install it by yourself with 5 screws. Fix a latch on a door frame and fix a spindle inside a key. Combine the outer body with the inner body and fix them with 2 screws. Apply a handle cover and fix it with a screw. Then the installation is completed. MILDA antibacterial push-pull door lock pursues universal design and barrier-free product. We will keep researching to make a more convenient and safe door lock for the daily life of the beloved family. We will do our best for complete quality control and customer service.